after this is promotion class, which is all the celebrities driving the cars. The chassis is completely gone, the radiator condenser is gone, the bonnet obviously you can see. These are the safety cars.
Comes out of turn number 4, contact in the back there by car number 95. I think that's Dato.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of VPills. I am at Toyota Gazoo Racing Festival, Vios Challenge Season 6 Round 3. So the race hasn't started yet. It's early morning, time is 8:14 a.m. and everyone is getting ready in their pit. This is the pit where we are gonna be. This one, pit 13. It's not open yet, so we'll be in this pit and the cars are getting ready. The crew is working on it. These are all Toyota Vios. This is the car that my friend Dr. Ken will be racing, and right there is the driver's room. Let me take you inside, show you the backstory of how all this works and what's inside. Let's go. Why?
6 years already.
What is this?
This is called Solo. This device is actually will be able to tell my lap time.
Oh, lap time.
And also it has all my data. That when did I brake early, which corner.
So it connects with the car?
Yeah.
It connects with the car?
Yeah, it's actually it's a GPS.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool, you see.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is how you power it on. See?
Oh, serious?
Yeah, this is what my team manager did for me.
Oh, nice.
So it's actually connected with the GPS. So once it's connected with GPS, the time and the date, everything will be actually they will locate you. So and also we can search the track. That automatically he will knows what type of track actually you are at. Yeah, in racing actually 1 second is very far.
Yeah. Milliseconds is what counts, right?
Oh, yes.
Our car here.
This one? Oh, Ken Fu. Okay. This right here is the Sepang International Circuit at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Yeah, because Tomo is my team manager. So this car is actually equipped with a headset. This is a stereo headset. So this headset is actually very clear. It's actually what they call that, a noise reduction.
Active noise reduction.
Yes. So
So-
eventually when you run the top, it's actually push the top. And in the car, my helmet is actually equipped with speakers and mic as well. So I'll be able to communicate with you freely. But on his side, he needs to press.
Oh, okay,
because
on his
he's going
side.
to listen to me all the time. Yeah.
Here's the manager.
Yeah, this is my team manager.
Tomo, say hi.
Original from Japan. Yeah, he's with me for 6 years consecutive.
Oh.
No, he's very good
From the
because
day one of his racing.
yeah, from the day one of my racing career.
Is this from satellite or something? What? It looks like it is satellite.
No, it's not from satellite. It's actually from our phone. To
Phone, oh, okay.
Yeah, phone to
So there's an application, is it? Application is connected to this, is
No,
it?
it's a Bluetooth.
Only Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth.
And then you call?
We call.
You call, okay.
The car has also have a SIM card.
Right here is the race suit with Dr. Ken ready for the race.
This race suit is very cool because you have all these sponsored logos here. And
Sponsored by Vios, Toyota Tire and Motis, NK. I can't even read all these. The suit, it doesn't have any pads like the knee pad or...
no, because this is a car.
It's not a Formula car. Formula car, many times you have to put the pad here. They scrub each other.
Because we need to go to driver's briefing room.
Okay.
Yeah, because over here in Toyota Gazoo, they are very strict. 8:30 briefing means 8:30 we're gonna be there.
So we'll go to the briefing room now?
Yes. And if we are late, we got penalty.
Oh.
300 ringgit.
Wow.
Yes.
That's expensive. Let's not miss it.
Yes. And also the briefing room is very cool because why? In the briefing room, it's actually an F1 briefing.
Wow.
room. Exactly. It's the same. It's the same place.
Cool. Let's go. Seems like he's famous. Famous racer, huh?
In TOYOTA GAZoo, once you are the driver, they'll make you a celebrity.
Oh, nice.
That's normal.
That is what?
That's normal.
Yeah, why do they have to take the same car, like all Vios? Why can't they switch cars?
Because it's the one make.
One make.
Because it's equal condition. So it really truly test your driving ability.
Is there any restriction on the power, like how many horsepower? So you cannot make any changes to that.
No, cannot. Even the ECU is being shuffled.
Oh, nice. Thank you. This is what the briefing room looks like. So we are in the briefing room now, and here is the briefing, whatever gist right there.
They are not allowed to sign, and they may not allowed to go for practice session. Okay? Rules are rules. You want to take a flight?
We are done with the briefing, and 7 racers have already been fined 500 ringgits each for being late. So this is how it works. Rules are rules. Here is the car that we're gonna race, and let me give you a quick sneak peek inside. There's a roll cage, no other seats, racing seats and racing steering wheel. The music system is gone. Before the race, the cars are here for inspection. All the cars are lining up for the inspection one by one. So these are all Toyota Vios in stock condition and sponsored by Toyota. Before the race, all the drivers need to have a medical checkup. So right here is the medical center, and right here is the medical paper. They'll fill up the blood pressure and everything. What's
Alcohol
this?
test, blood pressure, heart rate, and pulse.
Oh, let's go. Yeah,
So
let's
make sure
calculate.
everything in order. Let's go inside and check it out.
Okay, bye bye. All the best. Did you pass or not? Did you pass or not?
Oh, sure, pass one.
All good, right?
146.
Oh, 9. 2 minutes, you can solve this.
You can solve this.
Let's see.
Hey! Done. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Just look at it. Look at him. How old are you, boy? 9 years old. Wow. He can solve the puzzle. Look at his quick hand.
Yeah.
Wow.
For speed.
Fast. Yeah. Yo.
115 seconds. Oh, wow. Hey. Genius, man.
15 seconds. Just how he did it.
Yeah.
Wow. Genius.
Good one. I can't even solve it in 10 minutes.
Dato can also sporting class. Sporting class here.
This is the sporting class car, and this one is super sporting. So what is the difference? Let me show you. You check this out. These are the spacers which are allowed in super sporting, and this car is a bit faster, right?
No, it's basically the same car, just like that.
Just the spacers.
Yeah.
And then this one, if you notice, there are no spacers. So no spacers in this one. So according to Thomasan, it makes a huge difference in the timings, 1 or 2 seconds lap time. That's when you,
know how to drive.
if you don't know,
how to drive.
if you don't know how to drive, then doesn't make any difference.
So some of those cars that you see on the outside, a bit louder, they have to tune it to make it louder.
So these all the cars are now straight piped, is it? Straight piped.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, straight. From headers all the way to the back. And a muffler, yes, but it's no, you know.
So this is super sporting class. After this is promotion class, which is all the celebrities driving the cars. So they get 45 minutes instead of 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
And then after that we have the sporting class in which our team will be driving.
You see? Totally different, right?
Yeah, completely different.
And also, if you can take a look here, it's automatic.
Oh, this one is automatic.
Automatic, yeah.
This is for the celebrities, is it?
Huh?
This is for the celebrities?
Yeah, celebrities, yeah.
Got 2 seats, huh? Now we are gonna take all the gear, suits, helmets and everything for the scrutiny. So they'll be checking everything. Here's the suit.
The helmet also, they will check each and every year. This is represent of how many years and how many rounds I've been using this helmet for racing. And also the hands as well. See, they will still.
I don't know where.
The car is tested okay. Next one. So this car doesn't have a side skirt on the left side. See, that's why this car got rejected. That's how strict they are. So this car did not pass the scrutiny because of that side skirt. This is how it is supposed to be on both left and right.
So this is the communication.
Communication.
Yeah.
I thought,
This is the earpiece.
this is earpiece.
Yeah,
It looks like noise cancelling thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's no speakers, you know. There's only ribbon.
Ah,
There's a ribbon inside. And this one you need to make it small and you just chuck it.
That's the suit, and then
This is the balaclava. So which bank?
yeah, that's what I was about to ask. Ready to rob the bank? Then your helmet. See, so many OK stickers over there. So many races you've done, right?
Yeah. Before
And
that,
your name
you
Ken.
need to fix on the hands. This is the neck protector.
Neck protector. Oh, it's connected to the helmet, is it?
Yep.
Okay, that's the mic. Huh? Our racer is all suited up and getting tucked in. Radio check. There goes our team.
Okay, come back, come back.
So this is how he manages the race, and we have a pit stop. So today is just the practice laps going on. Tomorrow tomorrow will be the first race and day after tomorrow will be the finals, and this is the pit lane. The rule here is that you cannot go above 60 kilometers per hour. If you go above 60 kilometers per hour in the pit lane, you will have a financial penalty of 500 ringgits. This is what racing does to your tires. This is just one lap down, and you check this out. And this is not even a race, it's just the practice session, and the tires are very hot, very hot. All sporting class drivers report to race director after session track limit violation. Look at what is happening.
That said he's okay.
Oh, he's okay, is it? Wow.
Still, like, you know.
It's not so easy, huh?
For me, I need to watch that message there.
Okay.
So that I can report to him. To be like more careful and all that.
Only practice session, still they have to follow everything?
It's just a no penalty.
No penalty.
Applies, but once you get to, because this is unofficial, but once the official qualify and qualify and the races, this is going to be a problem.
And this shows where all the drivers are. Our team number 10 is just right there on turn 3. There are some things that you need to do for your car to be eligible for racing, like this. You have to tie your engine oil cap, and any other loose plastic caps, you have to tie them with this some sort of wire so that they don't fall off on the track. All the racers are called to the director's room except Ken. So good job, good job. Another racing specific mod right here. Check this out. This button, this master switch, if you flip it, everything cuts off. The power is completely off from the car. And then this button is the fire extinguisher. So when you press it, it blows a fire extinguisher in the engine. Both the car and the driver both are hot. And the mystery man. Here is the dining hall for all the racers and their crew, and right there is for their audience. There's not much audience to this, but on the left side there is a lot of it. And we are done for today. This was first unofficial practice session, and then after this there will be one official practice session, and then the first race, and then the final race. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Ready for the race. Our team is number 10. The media team has installed a GoPro inside all the cars right there. This is to record the driver's view, and when you look into the TV screen, you can see the driver's view from this camera. It is doing a live stream. At the same time, you see there's a mic as well right there. Other than this, in the front you see this is another mod that is required for the racing cars, so that the hood doesn't come open and blocks the view of the driver. So you need to have this pin installed on the hood. All set. This is how you wear the seat belt. This This has a 5-point seat belt, 1 lock in, 2 in. There goes the third one. And the last and final. Fourth one, all locked in. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and tucked in. All the best. Hear the siren. That's for sporting class, and we are ready to launch. Full of excitement. Tomosato has given a go, and there we go. Now we are going to the grid. Okay, so we are at number 11, right?
Yeah, at the row 7.
Row 7.
No, we are on a grid position 14.
14. Okay.
So we are on row 7.
Okay. So our grid position is 14, and so we'll be in the row number 7. So you see these numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and that one is 7. Wow. Even I feel the adrenaline rush here. I can just imagine what it would be like inside. It's very, very hot, so that's why we have this leaf blower to keep our racers cool. There's a siren to clear. All the crew members are to clear the area. These are the safety cars, Mercedes. Look at what I found. This seems like a mic. Ta-da! Wow, so many. This is the media center. Behind the scenes, they show you everything what's going on. Tire busted. So a tire busted, and there's red flag on the track, so the cars are stopping in their current positions. Tape on the front bumper. Haha. There he goes. All the drivers have opened their doors. See, it's so hot in here. Safety car is out. I guess they are saving the Mercedes for the Formula 1 races. What I thought of as a tire burst turns out it's actually an accident involving our team itself, even though it's not our fault. So look at the coverage. This is how it happened, and seems like this will be the end of the race for us.
For him though, We have a massive crash right now. Car number 10, really beautiful Fu Kwok Sing has actually gotten out of his car already, so I think he is safe. But that looks like a massive, massive crash. I wonder what happened here. Let's have a look at the replay. So, comes out of turn number 4. Contact in the back there by car number 95. I think that's Dato Yip Kiang Heng, who's actually gotten in contact there, and he unfortunately landed straight into the Saksama Motorsports car of number 71. That's Lau Seng Kiat. Oh, such an unfortunate crash there, and massive, massive damage to the front. And that's certainly going to be a red flag. Red flag has been called already, so the race will be stopped. All the drivers.
So unfortunately, because of this accident, we won't be able to participate in tomorrow's race, but let me show you the damage. The right wheel is completely bent. We have already replaced it. Then the chassis is completely gone. The radiator condenser is gone. The bonnet, obviously you can see it's cramped up and it cannot be lifted up beyond this point. Then the filter box is gone. Wow. All these the front bumper. Here is the front bumper and the back bumper as well. Even the engine mounts are bent. Look at this. There's the top of the engine block seems like it is also broken, but hopefully the engine block will be fine. But it's a lot of work, cannot be fixed by tomorrow, so that's the end of season for us. This was the impact points. How are you feeling, Dr. Ken? Okay? You wanna race tomorrow?
Shoulder pain only.
Huh?
I would love to race, but unfortunately the car.
When this happened, I guess at that point you were gaining a lot of positions. Yeah, you had a good start, right? But unfortunately, I guess won't be.
This is racing incident.
Yeah,
That's
racing incident.
It's part of life.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Well, it was a very unfortunate end of season for us, but that's about it. That's it for this episode. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe.
Bos, hotel masih. Kenapa bos? Hah? Nama dah tu?
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.